Hey, Ivy here. Today, let's dive into how you can use AI to create a simple checklist for packing efficiently. Packing for a trip can be a daunting task, especially when you're unsure about what to bring. But with AI, you can simplify this process and make sure you have everything you need without overpacking. Imagine having a checklist that is tailored specifically to your trip. AI can analyze your destination, consider the weather forecast, and even account for the activities you have planned. This means your checklist will be personalized to your needs, ensuring you pack just the right amount of clothing and gear. No more lugging around unnecessary items or forgetting something crucial. For instance, if you're heading to a tropical beach, your AI generated checklist might suggest swimwear, sunscreen, and a good book. If you're off to a business conference, it might remind you to pack your laptop, business cards, and formal attire. The beauty of using AI is that it can adapt to any kind of trip, whether it's a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure. Plus, it can help you remember those easy-to-forget items like chargers and toiletries. By using AI to create your packing checklist, you'll not only save time, but also reduce stress. You can focus on enjoying your trip rather than worrying about what you might have left behind. So, next time you're preparing for a journey, give AI a try and see how it can transform your packing experience. Join me tomorrow for another AI tip to make your day easier.